Hello everyone, welcome to Essential Photoshop course for beginner to advanced. So if you want to learn graphics design using Photoshop software, then this course is for you. So if you don't have any previous knowledge or if you don't open Photoshop before, then this course is perfect for you because we designed this course from the very basic or from the very beginning to advanced level. So if you are absolute beginner, then you can enroll this course. We use the latest version of Photoshop 2022 for learning the Photoshop, and along with the classes, I have given an exercise file so you can do practice along with me. As well as I also given some class project. So during learning, if you join in real-time class project, so you will have the practice that what you are learning from the lessons. Let's take a look what you will learn from this course. You will learn about the interface and the tools of Photoshop. You will learn about the retouching, masking, layer, shape and symbol, shadow. You will also learn about the transform, warp and distort. You will learn about the export. You will learn about color and adjustment. You will learn about content aware and cropping, gradient, stroke and bevel, blur and filters, and many more. So you will have all the essential things that is required for learning graphics design using Photoshop software. And during learning, if you face any problem or if you need any assistance, then I am always there for you to help you out. You just have to ask me the question. So I am expecting you to have you in my first lesson. So don't wait and enroll this class.